In this quick video, I just want to show that Apple Pay is now available as a payment option for any of the memberships here on the MacU.com. So as long as you have a credit card added in the Wallet and Apple Pay preference pane here on a Mac, or in the Wallet and Apple Pay settings on an iPhone or iPad, you're going to be able to quickly sign up without needing to enter any credit card details. In this case, I have my AppleCard saved here. On our payment page, simply click the Apple Pay button rather than entering a credit card number, and I'll just need to use my Touch ID button on the Mac to complete this purchase. In this case, I'll pay nothing right now because of the 1-week free trial that comes with our monthly and yearly subscription options. Once that goes through, I'm all done and I can start using my membership. You can learn more about Apple Pay and AppleCard in the lessons linked to below or in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.